Hello and welcome to Danish Pronunciation for Beginners. My name is Allan and this is Dialog number 16, Dialog nummer 16. Hvordan gik din date? Or Hvordan gik din date? How was your date? The pronunciation focus of this video is what we call long consonants or lange konsonanter. Some consonants can become long, and those are M, N, the sound ng, written NG, and L. And M will become long often when it's written double M, like hjemme, samme. So what actually happens is that the final E is not pronounced, but the M is prolonged, and thus hjemme becomes hjemme in one syllable, and samme becomes samme in one syllable. The same goes for N and G and L. Hende, inde, henne, mange, gange, længe, alle og lille. So, Mikkel er tilbage i lejligheden efter sin date. Mikkel is back in the apartment after his date. His brother is there as well. Hans bror er der også. Hey, hvordan gik det? Hey, hvordan gik det? Virkelig godt. Daten var en succes. Very well. Virkelig. Remember two syllables when spoken. Virkelig. Virkelig godt. Fedt. Hvordan var hun? Fedt is a very youthful way of saying great. Fedt. People up till 50, 60 also use it, so that's not that useful. Fedt. Hvordan var hun? And remember, the word hvordan can be pronounced hvordan or hvordan. Hun virkede rigtig sød. She seemed really nice. Hun virkede rigtig sød. Og hun var let at snakke med. Og hun var let at snakke med. She was easy to talk with. Hun var let at snakke med. Hvordan ser hun ud? Hvordan ser hun ud? Hun har stort, krøllet hår og grønne øjne. Hun har stort, krøllet hår og grønne øjne. Vil du se et billede af hende? Vil du se et billede af hende? Selvfølgelig. Selvfølgelig. So she has a big curly hair and green eyes.